Good morning, everyone. I am Anshri. I belong to Royal City Patiala, Punjab, which is famous for its architecture and royal monuments. Currently, I am pursuing MBA, Specialization Finance and Marketing from CGC Landra. Right now, I am doing internship in Insect Solution Private Limited. Really, it is an reputed and very amazing institution which provides us a lot of experience and knowledge in our internship. We come to learn about many things like equity research projects, portfolio management, investment banking. So if we talk about modules, we learn many modules and many new things in this program. Like we have to make industry report analysis by taking example of any industry like Wipro, Steel, Tata and Boris, in which we take an example and analyze financial statements of the company. It is really an experience one in which we experience a lot of things and we come to know about how can an analysis of companies' financial positions can be done. A lot of things have been taught by our mentor in which we have to make a lot of projects. We come to learn about stock market, portfolio management, ratio analysis, financial modeling in which we have to make and take an example of any company in which we have to make income statement, balance sheet, trading and profit and loss account and cash flow statement of any company and comparison of previous year and current year of its financial statements have been made and learn about the financial position of the company. Really, it is a golden opportunity in which we can analyze how an analysis of company performance can be done. This thing helps us a lot in our future program, in our consulting company and any other company in which we have to make comparison and thought that investment in this company is done by me or not. A lot of things have been taught by our mentor, like stock market, knowledge about stock market, mutual funds, types of mutual funds. Uh, Even we come to know about private equity and venture capitalists, in which we have to make project on private equity and venture capitalists by taking example of Google company or any other company. Above all, we come to know about and helps our mentors in learning about and improving our communication skills, presentation skills, speaking skills. As we practice daily and making our videos, it helps us a lot in improving our communication skills, presentation skills, and speaking skills. Above all, we come to know about many new things like equity research projects in which we have to take an example of any industry and make equity research project. So it is really an amazing experience in which we come to know about many new things. Really, it is a very rapid and an amazing input which gives us lot of knowledge. Really, all do a lot of hard work in improving us and making a lot of efforts for our career growth opportunity. By doing internship in this organization, really we come to know that our future is amazing one in which we gain a good job opportunities at reputed position, and it really helps in our placement programs also. So, thank you so much. Thank you everyone.